Bitch, I been grinding. Bitch, I been grinding. Bitch, I been grinding. Bitch, I been working hard. Bitch, I been grinding. Bitch, I been grinding. Bitch, I been grinding. Bitch, I been working.
Slime motherfucking TV.
25. My new favorite number.
I was just checking to make sure you up early at the game, watching the game, about to watch the game.
Real little niggas, we in the trap. That's Love Bound, BG and YLMG, LMT, No Love, you know what I mean? We everywhere. Every big cuz, No
I already
Love.
know, you know what I'm saying? No.
Happy motherfucking birthday! Yeah,
2 cups.
motherfucker.
You know what I'm saying? Y'all already know, man. In the trap with my shoes off. Real nigga shit.
Real nigga shit, man. That shit don't stop.
You know what I'm saying? Motherfucking Slime TV coming to y'all one day near in the alley. All that one shit, Acme Alley type of nigga. You know what I'm saying? DBA, Dope Boy Alliance. You know what I'm saying? Don't even bother asking. You know what I mean? All that one extra shit. You know, we'll holler at y'all in a minute. Game on. We're going to get to it.
You already know, man. Happy motherfucking birthday. 10 days of no-nos, man. 10 days of spaceship, man.
How many niggas you know that was born for 10 days?
Damn. Fucking old.
Watch your motherfucking love, man. Real shit, man.
Bitch, I been grinding.